Good morning, Michael.
Hey, Graham. How are you?
Fantastic to be on the call with you. Thank you for joining me. What's an honor. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. Where are you calling in from?
I'm in Knoxville, Tennessee. Did you get a chance to watch my short little video?
Uh, no, I'm sorry. What is that?
When you booked the call with me, there's a video to watch. Designed to save a little bit of time. It's an introduction. You
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see
know,
that.
so you don't know.
Um,
That's okay. That's okay. It's designed to help you know who you're talking to, so we can save
no, yeah.
time.
No, no.
No
Yeah, yeah,
worries.
of course.
I know we're all
Um,
busy, but the idea of this call is for us to find out about you and your story and see how we can help you. So why don't we start there? You tell me all about your story, why real estate, and what we can do.
yeah, definitely. So I'm working with, I guess I'll just sort of, my story's a little bit more complex than what I'm going to tell you now, but yeah, I'll just simplify it for you a little bit. So I'm working with this group called 𝐒𝐫 Capital. And we're basically syndicating equity for real multifamily properties, across the country. And we're focusing on kind of top 1% type opportunities
Mm.
within multifamily. So we're focusing on doing the upfront due diligence, and just making sure these are we're really shopping uh,
Okay.
very high quality deals to our
Uh, uh,
investors.
Let me stop you there, Michael. I'm more interested in who Michael Wilke is first, okay, than your company. So tell me
Sure,
your story and who you are. Yeah. So that makes a
sure,
difference, right?
sure. No, I appreciate that. Yeah. So I grew up in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I went to the University of Delaware for university. I got a degree in finance and economics, and then shortly after, I chased my still current girlfriend to New York. So I got a job at Morgan Stanley in
Right.
wealth management.
Okay.
Realized I hated it. It was
Okay.
way too corporate, and bureaucracy just didn't sit quite well with me. So I moved to uh, another corporate organization called Alliance to work in mergers and acquisitions.
Okay.
But I was excited about that opportunity, and I kind of rubbed up against the same kind of thing, which was, it's just not a fit. I'm more of an entrepreneur. I'm more of a I want freedom in my life, and those are the things I value, right? So I don't want to work for an organization. I don't I don't want to be um uh, a spoke on a wheel, right?
Yeah.
So
Understood.
I, want to be the master of my own destiny and so forth. So, anyways, so I left kind of recently. So I do a couple different things now. As one is I work for a VC fund, so we make venture investments in startup companies. Um, Two is I work with fund managers and we capital raise for them, right? We raise capital for private equity funds, real estate funds, venture capital funds. We do that all over the world.
Mm.
And that's what the New Amsterdam Group, and it's basically a boutique investment bank. But the good thing there is, I don't, I run my own schedule. I'm pretty much, I am an independent contractor actually. So I'm not an employee, not W-2. And now I'm branching out into real estate just because, that was kind of the logical next step in terms of, selling securities. So
Are you
that
married
that's
with children or are you married?
no, no, no,
Not yet.
not yet.
Just still chasing the girls.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, because you look very young and
Mm,
see you're already very driven and you're speaking.
mm.
Well, you're singing from my song sheet, as it were. Mine niche is large multifamilies, so
Very
acquisition
good.
and capital raise is the big subject of the day. And
Yeah,
recently
yeah.
restarted my YouTube channel with to build up my network and what have you. Did an educational thread on large multifamilies in there, 21 short educational
Nice.
videos, and published these two books.
Oh, amazing.
Uh,
Look at that.
really, 15 chapters, 180
Nice.
pages each. So, yeah, I did that. Trying to create value for the community. Are you in sub two or Gator by any chance?
Am I sorry, what?
Are you in sub two or Gator? Are you with Pace at all?
No, I'm not.
Oh
No,
no,
no.
okay. I probably met you on LinkedIn then, did I?
Yeah, I think it was LinkedIn. Yeah.
Very good. Okay, so I'm in that community. I've got good networking. I don't know whether you heard of Vina Jessie, but she's in the large multifamily space. I'm looking at 100 units or more, 10 million to 100 million. Haven't done a deal yet, so well, I'm working on the GP side, but I would need a sponsor. So I'm currently looking for that. I also promote Legal Shield as an associate for attorney in the back pocket type of thing. You know how that works? Have you heard of Legal Shield?
No, I'm not too familiar.
It's a bit like works like insurance, like your car insurance, right? We all hope we don't have an accident, but if we do, we want the car replaced, right? So,
Sure.
and cover our hospital bills, maybe, oh, maybe not. So, depending. But so this is like the same sort of service. A legal shield pay the attorneys on retainer, and as a member, by paying a monthly subscription, you have access to an attorney for the really low cost or of doing
Okay.
business. So it's really kind of cool, if you're
Yeah, that's pretty.
for yourself. It keeps that
That's
cost
pretty nice.
down dramatically. Because you probably know with large multifamilies, you need three attorneys, right? Three specialists. You need a
That's
securities, litigation, and real estate, right? Attorney when you're doing a
that's true. Yeah.
family. So
Yeah.
it's a major component of this niche. And so that's really where I'm at with that. So how can I help you in your business then?
Yeah, I would not know. I really appreciate that. I guess so. You're just to reiterate, are you looking to syndicate properties? Are you looking to invest?
All
What
of
is
the
your?
above. I'm working on the GP side acquisitions, and once we've acquired the building, then I'm the asset manager, essentially. I will have an LP position, but I'm working on the GP side.
Oh, I see. Do you co GP or?
Oh, absolutely. It's a team
Okay.
sport, this. You can't do it by yourself. You know that, right? That's important.
Um,
Yeah.
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 So yeah, maybe I think first and foremost would kind of send you kind of the deals we've already kind of vetted and are on our marketplace, and we're kind of we're introducing to our investor network. And then maybe we can hop back on the phone if anything is interesting to you.
Absolutely.
Um,
Yeah.
we have a couple. So the three main opportunities are JV equity, LP equity, and also we have co-GP equity opportunities.
Hmm.
Um, and again, we try to really go deep and underwrite these deals. So and making sure the sponsors have a deep track record. The debt, the debt is assumable and everything looks good, and these are really just top-notch returns, right? You're going
Right,
to see
right.
on these properties.
I have my own C-class buildings in a B-class location.
There you
Occupancy
go.
anywhere from 70 to 85%. For stabilization between 9 and 18 months, at
Nice.
market value, no more than 10,000 a door on renovating any vacant units.
Yeah.
And doing value add, reducing expenses. You know
Nice.
the story if you're in the space.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So I think first and foremost, that would be, did I send those to you, or have you seen deals from me, or?
I don't know. I get so many deals.
Yeah.
That's why I do
I'll
the
send
phone calls because I know getting to know you. You see, I mean,
face to names, and yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
exactly.
It's all
Yeah.
part of forming a relationship in your team, in your
So
network.
I'll pull your email from this invite. I think I have, and I'll email you, right after the call, kind of kind of what we're working with. And then, yeah, like, just let me know if anything's
Yeah.
interesting to you. Happy to answer any questions or discuss
Cool.
more or,
How many,
you know, energy.
yeah, I mentioned about
If,
legal shield as well. If you want to explore it, because I think it might
no,
help
appreciate that. Yeah.
dramatically reduce your legal expenses in real estate, So,
Yeah. Appreciate you. We'll absolutely take that,
yeah.
take a look at that. Um, and then, if there's interest on your side, we'll connect you directly with the sponsors,
Hmm.
of the opportunity. Right. So,
That'd be
um,
perfect. Yeah, I'd like that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, that's typically how they work. And then yeah, it's oh yeah, this legal shield thing looks pretty interesting.
It's so fascinating. Those attorneys, what impressed me, they have to have at least 20 years experience in their niche, also not
Oh
taking
wow.
illegals. The other thing is they're not on the clock. The company pays the retainer. So they're interested in helping you come to, get your story and get it litigated. You can read it all. They give you over 100 hours of trial time if you're in court for any reason, you know.
Right,
And
right. Oh wow, that's
identity theft, $3 million of coverage, phenomenal. Yeah,
wow, wow. And your email is vxcited at
that's it.
gmail.com.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. Yeah,
All right.
yeah,
All right. I will email you directly after this call, and then yeah, we can happy to jump back on a call. Happy to
yeah.
again, happy to take the conversation any way you'd like, right?
That's right.
And we're always
That's right. It's
and we're
just
always getting new opportunities, obviously. So
yeah.
it'd be good
This
to
is
just develop
right.
relationship and
Yeah.
you
This is
know,
just an introductory call, you see. So yeah, I like that you want to continue that, and
yeah.
if
Look, I
another
think
time, yeah. So
this is a long-term game, right? So
yeah,
it's all about relationships, I think.
yeah,
So just
yeah.
and without that, you don't have you don't have a business.
That's right. That's right. And certainly if you have any questions on the legal shield, but it's all on the web. Google's our
Yeah,
friend. And
yeah,
if you wanted to use it, you can sign up on that site. It's personal. It's as low as $1 a day for all your personal coverage. It's
yeah.
wild. Yeah. So it's really, really. I only found out about it a couple of weeks ago.
Oh
Couldn't
wow.
believe it. In fact, I would have had all my properties still if I'd known about it, because I
Wow,
lost
yeah.
everything in 2009.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it'll protect your business. You see, I wasn't capitalized and I learned a lot, right, the hard way.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah. All right, Michael. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
All
Thank
right.
you.
All right.
Okay.
Bye for now. Bye
Bye.
bye.